The hydraulic release mechanism cannot be retracted into the vehicle manual emergency operation steps when your seat has the following problems during use. 1. Power outage. 2. The remote control is ineffective. 3. Mechanical failure. Other reasons can it be recovered? 1. Push the seat open above the mechanism first. Notice, the seat cannot be retracted on the mechanism. The seats can be put into the trunk and taken away. 2. Take out the emergency tool kit at the tail of the organization. 3. Use an 8mm hexagonal wrench to remove the 8mm screw on the top of the hydraulic cylinder counterclockwise. Remove the screws and save them for later use. 4. Manually lift both sides of the mechanism and retract it into the vehicle. 5. Use a 13mm open-end wrench to loosen the screw counterclockwise. And slide the screws to unlock the rotation state. 6. Rotating mechanism reaches the vehicle. Use a 13mm open-end wrench to operate the circle screw. Sliding screw. Tighten the screws clockwise to lock the rotation. 7. Use a 13mm open-end wrench to loosen the screws at the tail of the mechanism counterclockwise. Slide the screws to separate the motor gear and the lock gear. Lock mechanism below the operating circle. Sliding screw. Use a 13mm open-end wrench to tighten the gear clockwise to engage the motor. 8. At this time, the mechanism remains fixed in the car. Please contact after sales for debugging.